Meta is plus 5.97% today, and the reasons behind this move tell a bigger story about where global markets are heading. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is July 12th, and today we are putting the spotlight on Meta, the social media and metaverse giant. Meta is up 5.97% to $669.21 in today's session. Intraday prices ranged between $658.01 and $677.86. The long-term fundamentals for Meta revolve around advertising revenue, AI infrastructure spending, and user growth. Equity markets are responding to reports that is big tech's massive AI spending spree sustainable, cave-out AI. Let us look at the broader sector picture. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. Traders are reacting to news that NASDAQ ends sharply higher. Chip surge offsets Iran worries. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Central bank policy is at the forefront of investor minds. Equity markets are responding to reports that U.S. futures drift as investors await earnings season and inflation data. Dow Jones, S&P, NASDAQ, Yahoo Finance. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. On the data front, investor sentiment is being shaped by Wall Street ends higher as investors turn to earnings season. Looking at how sector peers are positioned. Nvidia made a dramatic move today, surged plus 4.03% to $210.96. Equity markets are responding to reports that Nvidia announces financial results for fourth quarter and fiscal 2026, Nvidia Newsroom. The key number to track this week is data center revenue run rate. With Blackwell GPUs ramping across hyperscaler data centers, analysts are upgrading estimates, but the stock is priced for continued execution. Any supply chain commentary or China export restriction update could be the swing factor. The bull case holds as long as AI capex from Microsoft, Google, and Amazon stays elevated. Samsung is up plus 2.52%. Trading at $285,000. Investor sentiment is being shaped by Samsung prepares to unveil chip earnings insights as AI demand drives record semiconductor profits, crypto briefing. The HBM supply competition with SK Hynix is the defining story. Samsung needs to close the yield gap to win hyperscaler HBM contracts. Consumer DRAM pricing is recovering as inventory normalizes. Watch for any Nvidia or Google qualification update on Samsung HBM. BHP climbed plus 2.48% to $58.28. Equity markets are responding to reports that BHP shares in 2026. Should you buy, sell, or hold? Discovery alert. Copper exposure is the long-term investment thesis. BHP's copper assets will benefit from the structural deficit expected this decade as the energy transition drives demand. Iron ore price and China steel output remain the dominant near-term earnings variables. Here is our analytical view on Meta from here. Equity markets are responding to reports that is big tech's massive AI spending spree sustainable, cave-out AI. The advertising engine continues to outpace expectations. AI-driven targeting improvements are delivering direct revenue per user gains each quarter. The key variable to watch is engagement per user as Reels, Stories, and Threads compete for time. Reality Labs' losses are the one overhang, but core momentum is exceptional. Let us close with the key events and catalysts on our radar. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have to hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? Thanks for watching MTRS_Market Pulse. Nothing here constitutes financial advice. Please conduct your own due diligence. Good luck in the markets, and we will see you in the next video. That is our spotlight on Meta from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe for daily coverage of the world's biggest stocks.